Me Kasee Alan Kyeremanteng Edu Asantewante mu boapro ewo ho na behwe nipa ma me nko na wukuda nchebo ho na afi won di akire ne ne nkomo wukusa ote enkan ye mo ha
efia meton kafa
Alan Kyeremanteng ni team na omadru hin sesia na nsembe na odi tuja
me no Kasee o maba betu manhia na mo bia de okimso eya Asantehene onyantrase na hemfu ni na bo gadata Kasee ye hwe ni mu se okimso abetnase na Alan Kyeremanteng so eba chia empayifo na asama mo ka na mo de tuta na afia se wo ba Asantewante ya Kumase emre omote se Alan Kyeremanteng eba no se wo hwe nipa e boardom pem e wo airport runabout efuru ha de besi manhia na se woni se o ka kire nipa ba na mo boso de pa na me pese yene owura ho na doye edi nkomo kakra tia wani ye he ani adekoti potinti a ama owura Alan Kyeremanteng oba Asantewante na titiriu woni optimso esto eba be ya obi a ye be no di kakra ye
amabia tima kwaso kama menim se nkodimdie no ebetimi abaye ba
eti o yanka Alan Kyeremanteng bo type ni se oba mentia
ne bota ya ne te ofi Asantewante na onim amane ne amamrenti sabre ya opete wode ne huti ho na osom oman Ghana no na hutia so na no ho na wode ne ho bekere na okachi omo se empire omo bopa no obeye minister watena mu ababedru sabre a chese infiensia wa wo ye adwuma ke kaye bia ntima ama no ho asembuni bia ntimi amba no ho ne ade no na se oba na obeda o mase na fi osansre o munsa munhira se o munka no ho na dwumadi eda na dim se NPP delegates beti bi ashanensa mana ba be fra Ghana fo nyina so de tumi ashanensa president after nana adakwa ku pado no nunchi ana waba hase
ana eye monwa
kire papa no edo a amanfo edido because tima catch up say you confirm eba no 2 days ago so on there no
who confirm that
say haba 2 days ago and so oshenipa apia ba I don't should tell you say amanfo do papa ni yepa
obedi say here entisawocha afei ana oba be hye na probo na se Asantewante yanti no officially no but then no abegi aba kire opimso na afei wakra na semu kira wo mra abe wo mo promise ne
how many days in here aprobo Asante no wo bo for how many days
what we oh the babo bo e wa Asante happy eti omo free happy a omunya bekwa kosia mo e wo Heroes Park na yo makwa kosia NPP manso ho na wo mo ne omo sana aprobo e wa Asantewante me eno so atrofi
na ukuyemfa unsi ha homa no kra mu otwetwe kakra nti no said o afi no wa sha ase de e besa ba ho biem ne no wakasa enti efra Asante na mu ye gina owura Alan Kyeremanteng na probo no ne nsem ahodo na otwe mu atoto fom kasamafo eye owura ya boaben asamoa ono so de atodwa kire mu sekane trade minister Alan Kyeremanteng wono pe na NPP amanyokuo 8 na ompese omu break no obetimi break no
meso obi cha video ni
na me pepe ticket kama
come. I go do some soup. No, make this party. Chief, I beg make you stand here for us. I beg.
President is the incumbent. His time is over. The law does not allow him to run again. But NPP wants Ghana to give them another term. NPP wants to break the 8. And Alan Kyeremanteng believes, including this family, that he is the one who can break the 8. Alan Kyeremanteng believes, and this family believes it as well, that he is the one who can break the 8. And therefore, he has resigned from the government of His Excellency Adom. The president has accepted his resignation congratulated him on his exceptional work and blessed the future for him. So he is here when nominations are open, as we've told you already. He will file to run. He's going to inform Otumfuo, seek his blessing. Thereafter, he will meet the regional party executive, inform them as well, and then we meet the family at Heroes Park. I will entreat all of you, those who are capable of going straight away to Heroes Park, to do so right now. Thank you very much. And he's about to step out, and you have a word with him. Thank you.
So,
Adom TV, Premtobre Kasee na guso. Sharinti way ansana penino edu airport asantemantemu no eno ra ya obuabia samwa de sansemi etu dwanti wokohu wote kokoso de besie wukuni team ne nkaye de beba na afi na pro bono wasantemi ahodo obekonso ni nyina obenya e wa Adom TV.